I'm sitting here fishing on Wood Lake in Texas. Some yahoo over there driving his boat around. Otherwise it's perfectly peaceful. Nice little spot here. And I just hooked this is my huge musky net. I just hooked a gar. I'm pretty sure this is going to cause a riot. But I'm going to put him in the boat. Lay down, mother. So, he is at least 36 inches, which ain't saying much. He's pretty skinny, pretty long nose. He goes past. He's longer than my thing goes to 35, so he's about 37. Because his nose is past a little bit. There we go. Might even be 30. Might even be 38. There he is. Big old gar. Boy's going back.